Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have an ABUS lockout lock. So it says locked out on it, all over there, danger locked out. And it's just so incredibly long for reasons I just can't figure out. The shackle is longer, but doesn't give you more shackle depth to sort of lock something which is wider or has two hoops or something spaced apart. I don't really understand why this is so long. If you know why this ABUS 7440 Lotto lock is quite so tall, please let me know in the comments below. What is hard about this particular lock is a combination of two things. One, the bitting on this little 6-pinner is really quite extreme, and the tolerances on the inside of this lock appear to be very, very good. So let me grab a medium hook here and show you how you can see how it would be very easy to accidentally pick, if you don't have a deep enough hook, to pick this last pin 6 and foul pin 5 here. So if I had a shorter hook, I know, let's grab something which is still a medium-ish hook but shorter. If I'm going to pick, say, off the warding and pick that pin, I'm already going to lift pin 5 up as I'm hitting pin 6. So it's sort of tricky to get through this warding here, which is paracentric. Let me just show you this is a 15,000th hook, so pretty thin, as you can see, but even that can't actually pick all the way to the top of the keyway, and through that warding it gets deflected, and some of these pins are literally max lift. You can see on the cuts here how high 1 and 6 are. So you do need to get up to pick those pins all the way to the top, otherwise you just will not pick this lock. So it's a bit of a tricky one, this one. Anyway, let's throw some advice and we'll give it a pick. Okay, remind ourselves of that very, very horrible bitting. All works fine. I actually don't know with these locks, if you overturn them, then the pins spill out on the inside. It's a borrowed lock. I just don't want to have to deal with that. So we'll see. What do I have to pick it with? I'm going to go in with a medium hook like this, and top of the keyway to start with. If I find an appropriate turning tool, yep, this one will do. There we go. I'm going to go in and see if we can't go all the way to the back in the first instance, and see if we can't pick that last pin. Something like that. Okay, now I'm going to swap over tension like that, and then go in with a short hook like this, and start off with pin 1. Very high set. Come on. There, got it. 1, 2, 3. So just go 1, 2, 3, 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. So then what I'll need to do is swap to the top of the keyway again. And you might be thinking, why am I doing this? It's just because it's, I don't know, I find it more intuitive to do bottom of the keyway tensioning, but what I've got to do is somehow get in on this last pin. See, we can't sort of pick it like that. Yeah, that felt good. That did feel good. Yeah, okay, good. I actually just prefer bottom of the keyway tensioning, so if I can swap back while I pick, then I sort of will do. Let's have a go. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. And 4. And we are open, I think. Yeah. I don't want to overturn it. We've definitely got the open though. And I'm going to let it all go back and just try it out with the key to make sure I haven't destroyed anything. Yeah, all good. That's a heck of a lockout lock though, isn't it? Blimey. Well, what we didn't know about this was it actually has probably taken me a good 40 minutes of practicing with this little ABUS, just because the bitting is so it's just so extreme for this type of lock with this keyway, and the tolerances in this are surprisingly good. So yeah, definitely a little cut above the rest out there, I guess. Well, no, that being said, there's a lot of lockout locks, even ones by Master Lock, that are pretty good. So yeah, definitely worth giving a go with these lockout locks. They can be surprisingly tricky. Anyway, if you like this video, leave a like. If you've got a comment about this lock, and especially if you agree with me about lotto locks generally being a little cut above average, then leave a comment below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Always get that wrong. It really helps my channel out, and of course I'll see you all next time.